Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One online banking account on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Capital One online banking account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address capitalone.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Capital One over here, guys. You can see, and you can log into your Capital One account from the home page also, or from the login panel at the top right corner of the screen. You can see here is the sign in button. If you click on that, a login panel to your account will open. So over here you can see the place or the section to enter your account's username and password. So over here, guys, enter your username with which you had registered an account on the Capital One, and I can enter your password over here. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's password by giving some credentials of your account. And with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the sign in button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Capital One online banking account on your PC. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Capital One online banking account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.